Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we are going to continue back with Numpy. So we're going to learn about something that's very handy with Numpy. So alright, this is what we do here. We build one topic on another. So we just build and learn more and learn more and learn more, a little deeper dive, and we go from there. So alright, we're going to learn about the ones and zeros function. So it's pretty cool. So, alright, x dot numpy ones, and we're going to do 2D array, so 2 by 3, close that out, and then we are going to do numpy zeros, just a 1D, print x, y. So alright, this is what I love about this. So alright, this is literally what, let me make sure you guys, okay, I was worried it was out of frame. So alright, literally Numpy just creates an array, an Numpy array full of ones, a 2 by 3, and then I say I need an array of 1D 5 deep of zeros, and Numpy goes, I gotcha. So just especially if you want to start a starting point 0 or a starting point of 1, it is unbelievably handy. So just a real quick video today of just an awesome tool to have in your toolkit, and to make sure that you knew about it, because I can't believe that I haven't touched on it yet. So I grouped these together because they're pretty self-explanatory, but I wanted to make sure we did it and covered it. So as always, guys, please leave any comments, questions, or any video requests below, and I'll get right to them. So always, guys, stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, notification bell, hit the thumbs up button, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys.